This video is about how to manage the memories once you get some memories uploaded, described, given titles, things like that, using the dashboard screen that you can see. We have the profiling picture, website title, website description. We have the section that captures memories, and we scroll down to the memories area where we can manage our memories. And I have gone ahead and uploaded several pictures to give us something to work with to see what we can do. And we can see these different pictures, and if I want to see how these pictures are being displayed when a visitor comes to visit the website, I go to that the screen for that. I do a refresh. Once it's refreshed, then I can scroll down and I see pictures. Oop. Let the software catch up. It's having to load the pictures. So you can see there's a lot of pictures, but they don't have a title and they don't have a memory description, but you can see them. So now we need to manage our memories. We need to modify our memories. We need to add to our memories, and we'll do that from the dashboard screen. So an example would be, maybe I want to change the order in which they're displayed. How do I do that? You see the numbers on the left. Take the picture that you would like to change the position of, the picture in position number 5. Click on the down arrow. We're going to go up and put it in the number 1 position. Notice we have a 0 here. If I choose 0, it tells the computer, do not display this picture. The picture will be moved to the bottom of this list and will not be displayed to visitors. If I choose the number 1 position, and then I tell it to save that by clicking on this little icon, then it will move that picture up into the number 1 position. I hope I clicked on that. Yes, I did. So now we can see that picture has been moved up into the number 1 position, and all the other pictures have been moved down. So I can change this picture number 7 now. Let's make it picture number 2. And we save it. So depending on where you are and the speed of your internet access, things like that, you can see that it may take a little time to make these adjustments, but most of the time it's very quick. So this is changing the order. You can also group pictures into different albums. You can, using the top right green button plus add album, you click that, give the album a name, put check marks in the boxes about the pictures you want to move to that album, and then you select the album, you click on the move files to album, and it moves those files into an album that would be displayed to the visitor as part of that album as opposed to the main screen. Let's look at individual individual memories. Let's look at number one. We have the picture. We see that this particular image does not have a memory title, but we have icons on the right hand side. This one icon is the edit. It's going to edit that memory. This icon deletes the memory. This icon allows you to download the memory. If you have someone helping you on your website and they are working with a memory, they might need to download that memory to their computer. So this is downloading the file to whoever's computer is doing this. So you can have many people working on the website, different memories, or we're even working on the same memory at the same time. This icon does a recording, an audio recording that describes the memory, and this icon allows you to share the memory with other people, family ties, websites, and by email. So an example is, let's edit this particular memory. Click on the edit icon. Here we are, and we can give it a title. This is Leonard Sarton. And his first granddaughter, Jan, riding a mule. And then we can come down and we can describe a memory. We can do that by saying this picture was taken on by the pond. I can learn how to type. Behind and then we save that. It says okay, it was updated. If I want to go back to where I manage my memories, I click back. If I want to go to the next memory, I click next. I want to go to the previous memory, I click previous. And I can go through and add this any way I want to. So I can edit memories back to the memory management screen. And we can see that that particular memory now has a title, and we can now go and see how that looks, new position and title and information. So we go over here and we refresh this screen. Scroll down. Whoops. It's loading all those pictures. So here's this particular memory now in the position, first position. It's got a title. It's got a description of the memory. It's got the picture that caused us to recall that memory. A captured memory. You can add as much detail in the description of the memory as you want to. And as you will see, we can also go and do a recording. Instead of typing a description of the memory, we record that. We'll have a separate video on that. But you just click this icon, go to that screen, record, click on the record, start talking, click stop. You have a recorded memory. Thank you for your time.